know you ain't no good for me, but you feel so good to me. Every time I come back, I try to leave. So how you end up back with me? Oh.
Last, now everybody go to breakfast.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kwani, and I'm back with another video for you guys. If you're new here, hey doll, welcome to the family, and if you're returning Sabi, welcome back baby. Hi guys, welcome back to another vlog. Guys, yazi, hey, I just watched Inanzika England no Congo play round of 32. Yazi, World Cup will be the death of us, I'm telling you. Because what the heck? Like, no man, this thing, the World Cup is so stressful. Like you could literally see. But hey, as players, it's no stress. Hey, you could see when I walk in, when I Bellingham, when I rush. They are stressed like crazy. Well, they were stressed like crazy. But then the second half, they did what they did and they ended up winning 2-1. So yeah, I'm really happy for them. Here's another thing. South Africa, Bafana. But it's fine. Anyways, enough with the rambling. So I come bearing gifts, y'all. I come bearing gifts from Clothing Junction. I come bearing gifts from Clothing Junction, y'all. So it's winter now, winter, and my mom was like, my kids need some warm stuff for the winter. So she went to Clothing Junction and she got us impahla for winter. So now I just got those two plastics. Yeah, one is like almost full and then the other one is like literally very light. So yeah, I wanna do a haul with you guys. I wanna do a haul with you guys. So I'm gonna start with this one. So clear now we have we have this. It is a beige/black crop striped jersey. Yeah, and it retails for 160. It retails for 160, y'all, at Clothing Junction. It's this cute it's a baby Zealand, and then it's a crop striped jersey. It's a crop jersey. This is how it looks. Oh, that's how it looks, y'all. Yeah. Oh, I can't wait to style this, and I got this in a size extra large because I want like a baggy fit. I think that's what my mom had in mind when she was buying this. So yeah. Guys, I'm gonna wear this so much. Can't wait to start styling Miss Mom. And then on the second plastic we have this. Oh, it's another jersey. Okay, we have another jersey. It has a hoodie. This is zip through hoodie. Yeah, it's a hoodie with the zip. Yeah, and it retails for 140. It retails for 140. Also got it in a size extra large. Guessing for the baggy fits. Yeah. So yeah, this is how Miss Mom looks. And it's in a, what color is this? I don't know. So it's a color Chandlina, but it's like pinkish but brownish top vibe. So nice. This is what you got. Oh guys, I cannot wait to start wearing these things. Oh wow. I'm a happy girl. Oh, okay, now on the last item. Ooh, I got these track pants. These track pants, y'all. Yeah, these track pants. Ipine, oh, bawo, yo. I guess another thingy. The tag got lost, but now it's also in a size extra large. So, oh, guys, I can't wait to start wearing this. And I'm so gonna abuse these pants, y'all. I'm so gonna abuse these pants because I've been wanting inanzika. It track bottoms. So, thank you, mom. I really appreciate you, girl. This is gonna be one like 7 days a week. I'm telling you, it's gonna be 7 days a week, my girl. Cause what the heck. But anyways, yeah, man, guys. So, if you wanna see how I style these and how they look on me, like how they fit on my body and how they look and what, oh, and how I style them, please do check out my TikTok and my Instagram. Yeah, and then you're gonna see how they look on me, how they fit on me, just in case we have the same body shape and body size, body type. So yeah, guys, I'm the happiest girl. I'm the happiest girl. So yeah, man, guys, I just wanted to do this young yana haul for you guys. And yeah, honestly, now what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna start editing this vlog. Like I'm also gonna start editing it so that I can have it ready for you guys as soon as possible. So yeah, other than that, nothing much is really going on. It's a little late anyways. Okay, it's not late, it's like 8 something, it's 8 o'clock. Yeah, it's not too late. So yeah, oh, and another thing that I want to talk about, guys. So guys, I've had this camera for the longest time now. And I really wanna start vlogging on it. Like back in the days, I used to vlog on this camera, but then camera quality it was bad, honestly. It was not giving tea, it was not giving, and I wanna start vlogging on this babe once again, just to see if was it actually the quality of it, or was it my editing skills. So yeah, it is the Canon IX 185. I don't know if you guys can see this, but yeah, it's not a vlogging camera though, but I mean, we gotta work with what we have, so yeah, I kind of want to start vlogging with it and seeing how it goes. Do you think, guys, I should start vlogging with it? Because honestly, I do want to start vlogging with it, but at the same time, I'm kind of scared. I'm afraid. Abang me saying vlog on the camera. Yeah, but anyways, yeah, guys, I also want to talk about that. So this camera, it came with okay, this is like the box corner. So it has these manual things came with this manual things and then a charger, it's charging thingy. Yeah, this is the battery charger, and then this is the thingy, the cord that you connect, and then we put it in your thingy, your charger, and then so I'm really contemplating, guys, about should I stop vlogging with this babe or just continue vlogging with my phone. But the problem is, now sometimes when I'm vlogging, I do want to use my phone. So angazi, or I'm gonna hear from you guys. And tell me what you guys think. So yeah, but anyways, yeah, man, guys, I don't know, man. And also, I don't have inanzika SD card yet to put here. So yeah, man, yeah. but funeka sizamile guys, funeka sizamile apho sikwazi ukuzama khona so that we can be able to grow. Okay, we can be able to grow and I can be able to give you guys the best quality possible. Okay, so if you see a quality change or something, just know that I will have changed from my phone to this babe, and then I'm just gonna see how that goes. If I completely don't like it, then I'm gonna get back to playing on my phone. So yeah, but anyways guys, let me go and start editing this vlog.
Kissing me, baby, when you're loving me, I can't describe what I want to do to you tonight. Oh, baby, when you come to me, I make it so you never stop for me, oh baby, stop for me. Just wanna love you, thinking over me, oh baby, over me. Just wanna love you.
Hi guys, welcome to a new day into the vlog. Izolo, we went to buy paraffin parts. Beku busy, so I couldn't really take you guys along with me, but anyways, that's beside the point. So today we are going to get what is this, insulation tape, because my brother wants to fix something and that was only something. But okay, as always my guys, they're trying to have a shame. Now I like going, so I'm going with my brother and my little sister to go and get insulation tape, and then yeah, I'm even wearing the thingy. Oh, I'm wearing this what was this jersey from CJ, and it's so comfortable guys. Yes, yeah, comfortable jersey, like what? But anyways, yeah, let's get going. I'm also making it. I don't know if should I carry my bag because it's not like I'm gonna buy anything anyways. So hey, nice mean guys, let's head out. I'm not gonna carry anything. Do you wanna say hi to my people?
No.
No?
Nope.
No? Okay guys, I got free to hi. So okay, yeah guys. Yo, my hair is falling off. Anyways, yo guys, let's head out and I'ma see you guys. Actually, I'm gonna take you guys along with me. This time, I'm not gonna be shy. I'm gonna vlog in front of people. I'm gonna vlog in public. Anyways, asamben.
The gallery open till 10 for you and your friends. You know how I spend in HOUSTON. I get too crazy, had a little bad enough. We stay good friends.
So we made it to cash build, guys. We're in cash build. Yeah. Guys, I'm shy. Cute dress.
I love the same. Never same. Okay.
Yeah. So guys, we are in cash build right now, and
Cash build and go build it.
build. Oh, hey.
What?
Build.
Cash build.
No, we built it. No, we cash build. We're in cash build, and we are here for the installation tape. Say, can you like no?
Red one.
Show you just who I was. Outside of the club, outside the things that are raining like.
Hi. Hi, but what do you mean? Say hi to my people. Yo, sorry. Say cash, say cash. Guys, can you see how cute my sister's thingy is? What in Netherlands? Sweater, crop sweater. So cute, so pretty, so everything. Some shit. What's something down? Oh, fun. Can you take a picture? Unkissed. The bright, bruh. Guys, I get up. So we did this. What's my name? I make nigga malintat. So yeah. Picture perfect, you don't need no filter. But just make it drop, damn, you're a killer. Shower you with all my intention. Yeah, these are my only intentions. Shout out to your man for making you. How? Right?
Makusendele owner yayo pho.
Izayazi lapho ke ngoba ku oyisticko semoto.
Xa kusondele isitixo semoto and then ivule. Lento bayivulwa ndim yo, it's not well.
Ne. Awuyibhawu.
Tu fethu bo. It's not make sure.
It's not 100%.
Kungena ngapha.
It's not favorable.
Numbers, hey, yeah, but I can see my petty reasons. They wanna know how I'm living my day-to-day life in the regular season. Well, summer all I did was rest, okay, and New Year's all I did was stretch, okay, and Valentine's Day I had sex, okay. We'll see what's about to happen next, okay. We'll see what's about to happen next, okay.
Oh, Baba, guys, you see, sometimes you don't need professionals. Just do it. Do it yourself at home.
Is it bombish?
Yeah, Buffett. Tina, we are. What is this in doing? Mechanics. Baba.
Bush mechanics.
Bush mechanics, Washa. We are busy here, mechanicking the canicables. So yeah, this is what we were gonna fix with that installation evening. Yeah, we're putting that thing to work now. So yeah, are we kukucha?
Not Zucha. It's not connected. If it was connected, I was gonna be afraid. I don't want to be electrocuted.
Guys, I'm afraid, shame.
I don't want to be tasered.
Alikhule qhakuva sengathi mountain.
Full couples.
Alimbi liphase yellow sis.
Hi guys, ngizoqaphuza mna. Okay. We're going to fetch insulation tape. Tape is scary. Got the scissors and the insulation tape. So what is this now?
I was pranking her.
Why are you pranking on me? Fire ubizi inside ne. Now we're gonna test if it works. Yo, I'm so scared. Hi, Thomas. Yenza.
Ina.
I know. It's been only 6 seconds.
Nothing out of the ordinary. It's not stinking.
So today's a new day into the vlog, and we are here to get a few things. Kuku, my brother, steps.
You and me both, you would need the exercise, Shem.
Guys, I'm so unfit.
Between you and me, you would need the
Okay,
exercise.
sure. Ooh, I'm already tired. That's crazy.
You drink 20.
I know it's about me. I don't think it's that full to the point where, you know. What?
It's designed to do things
Typical African black people who decide to go with
I mean, it's designed to go down there. When is on your feet? And your back, put your chin.
yeah.
I'm out of retirement. You should just sleep on it. You shouldn't doubt me. It would be different without me. What is it without me? Don't go do nothing without.
So just got back from the mall and I took a shower, you know, just so I could feel a little put together, feel like a girly girl, you feel. So yeah, but honestly, nothing much is gonna happen for the rest of the day, so I think it's best for me to end the vlog right over here. So thank you guys so much for watching till the very end of this vlog. I think it is kind of long, but yeah, I really appreciate you for watching till this far. If you haven't subscribed already, please do subscribe, like, share, comment, and make sure that your post notification bells are turned on so that you're notified every single time I upload on this channel. And if it is your first time here at all and you enjoyed yourself here, please do subscribe so that you can become a member of the family, you feel. But yeah, man, guys, I want to start editing this vlog so that I can have it done and ready for you guys as soon as I possibly can. And yeah, man, I really appreciate you guys so much, and I'm gonna see you guys on my next one. Love you guys so much. Bye.
You go out for the result, nothing to discuss, cause I did by default.